Yeah, throw it on. We'll go.
When I hit these bumps, my shit changes. Like I try to crank backwards after we stop for a bit.
Yeah.
And I'm in like some other gear that I didn't want to be in.
Oh yeah.
Does yours do that?
It does sometimes. If I'm in the middle gears, no. But if I'm in the top gear like I am now, I should probably throw it in a middle gear. Get my derailleur up a little bit. Okay, I'm on. I think. Am I on? Blinking?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll take our time to hit them. There you go. Oh. Oh, mud. Oh, big, deep mud. Deep mud. Deep mud. Oh, mud. Slinging everywhere. Oh. Whew, nice. Beautiful brook. Beautiful little brook. I love it. Oh, slick. You okay? Oh. Oh, Rocky. Rocky. Adrian. I don't know which way. No!